Hello, this is Greg. This is going to be a eBay sales video. I have a power supply here. Don't know where it came from. It takes 110 in. Let's show you what it does first before I even do anything else. 'Cause that's what everybody will be interested in. So I'm going to plug it in. It comes with a standard computer cord. And let's pull this over here. This into view. There we go. And we'll go to DC volts. And I've already marked these, so just ground is right here in the middle. And you've got, oh, let's turn it on first. Listen to the relay click. So that's working. 3.142 volts. Nice and stable. And that's, remember, DC. And then over here, you've got a 11.99 DC. Another one, 11.99 DC. And then there's, I think that there is one more, yeah, right here. 12 volt. In one of the blacks. So, not exactly sure what this went to or what it was for, but it does work. It works fine. Nothing wrong with it. So I'm going to turn off the power. If you're still watching, then you're probably still interested. So let's go ahead and flip this around. It's got this nice little safety cover on it. You just give this a lift and it pulls out. And then it's absolutely gorgeous inside. Couldn't be any cleaner. Let's get some zoom. I'm going to go right down onto this and move it around a bit. And it's in perfect condition inside. Spin it around here. So, and then let's go under the microscope as well. The Tom Love. And see if we can find some numbers on here. Ah, look, right here. Can I get those in view? There. Right there. It's a Delta. DPS-250AP-91 2950329803. I don't know if that means anything to anybody, but it might. And then we have another label. You see, is there anything else inside here? There's 12 volt right here. Let's give a little zoom in on that, or focus, I mean. So it's 12 volt, 21 amp. That's what it says on the board. Anything else down here? That shop floor. Surprised it doesn't say do not step. Well, it's an odd looking diode right there. Can we see that? Oh, actually, let me look on the big screen. You can actually see that number there for those chips there. That one there. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this back in and stand it up. I'm going to turn on the thermal camera. Plug this back in. Now with no load, this isn't going to say much, but at least it will see if there's any hot spots going on in this thing right now. I don't want anybody to buy it. Now this is in Fahrenheit. Oops, shoot, I'm sorry. I'm on the wrong camera. Okay. All right. Okay, now let's take a look around this board. This might be a little fiddly here for me. Okay, let's start down here at the bottom right of the board, right here. All these temperatures are going to be in Fahrenheit. So let me go ahead and focus that in. Stand this up. So let's move it around. 658 Fahrenheit. Remember, these are all Fahrenheit. Let's move this around here. What's that right there? 62 degrees. That is what is that? Oh, that's that transistor right there. So, yeah. So I don't see anything of any serious heat. Said 70 degrees, 75 degrees off of this. Let me move this over right here. Off of that transistor right there. 79. That's the hottest. Oh, look there. We got 100 degrees. Now in Fahrenheit, it's not bad. So, in fact, I can actually go into my camera. Watch this. We'll go here. We'll go settings. We'll go infrared camera. Celsius. Back. And IR camera. And boom. It's 17 Celsius. So, that doesn't seem right, does it? Did it, doesn't that seem a little low? Oh, there we go. That's better. Must just had a bad angle. 35, 40 Celsius. That's at an idle. That's not bad. So, anyway, that's the hottest spot I can find on the board. So, as long as you're informed, I'm happy. Okay, if you have any questions about this, please feel free to ask. And, and there's one more label here I wanted to show you. Let's turn this off before I electrocute myself on camera, and somebody will come out here and find me laying over in the corner, all smoky. All right, come on now. Well, come on. Look at this. I've done this like 4 times, put this back on here, and it was it went on just super easy each time. There we go. So that side and that side. Okay, now we have one more label here to look at. This is on the outside for who manufactured the thing. So let's get it over here where we can move it around, a little bit of focus, and go to the Tomlov. So it's a Delta Electronics Inc. Switching power supply. Here's the model right here if you are looking for something specific. And it is 100 or 240. Does it have a switch on it? It does say right there. It does say right on the back, 240. So 255 watts max. Oh, it puts out 12 volt at 21 amp DC. 21 amp. Jeez. That's pretty freaking good. You can run something with this. So there you go. Made in China. There's some more vital statistics, barcodes and such. There's some stuff in Mandarin, or I think Chinese is Mandarin. So yeah, where it's from. Actually, look at that. Taiwan. Anyways, This will be for sale on eBay. I've gone on long enough about it, and I hope this was detailed enough to help you make a decision. If not, just let me know. I'll try to answer any questions that I can. Thank you for watching. Thank you more for buying. Have a great day.